We're going to make gift tags today. These are blank ones that I have in my hand. You can buy these ready-made in the shops. They have already got a little hole in it and come in different sizes. Some even have a bit of string on them to attach to your parcel. You can make them, of course, for any occasion. We're kind of concentrating on Christmas a little bit today. Yeah, here's some I made myself. I have used a decollage scissors like these. They have a very pretty pattern on the side and they're not very expensive to buy either. And you just get some card paper, coloured or plain, and cut around the edges. The holes that I made here were made with a hole punch, but if you don't have one of those, you can use a darning needle and just thread your ribbon through it, just for attaching to your present.
That gives a lovely edge.
Yeah, it does. It's very pretty. Yeah. Now I'm going to explain these ones, but when I do that, Sheila, do you want to start making one?
I will. I'll make this small little one here for a Christmas present.
Great. Okay. That's okay. Now I'm going to show you some of these ones that I have in front of me. This one here is Happy Christmas, and very simple to do. The gold on the side was made using glue that I just went up and down all the way around. And then I got some sprinkly glitter and sprinkled it all over it, and you do need a plate underneath because it's quite messy. Just tap it like that and you're left with whatever is stuck to the glue. I put a heart on it and I did a bit of writing, and I think it's quite pretty. The ribbon that's here, that's ordinary paper ribbon for wrapping parcels, and I'll show you later on how to make that curl if you don't know already. Okay, now the next one is a happy birthday. And what I did is I wrote happy birthday all the way, happy birthday, all the way around the side, so it creates a pattern and it still gives you a message. I put a little plastic flower on, or it's a fabric flower actually, and wrote to and from. Pretty. Next one, this one here. It's like the Christmas baubles that you hang in the tree.
That's a lovely one.
Yeah,
with buttons on it.
Buttons and a gold pen, and you get that effect. It's nice. Like this one here, you're using the glitter again. I glittered right around the edges. No, I glued right around the edges, and I spread it with a spreader, and then I sprinkled the glitter again and stuck a star on it. And a nice pretty ribbon finished that one. This one is using a little bit of raffia. This is raffia here. You can buy that in little bundles, and it's just wrapped around twice, a little bow on it, a sticker with Father Christmas on it, and Happy Christmas message. Right. This one, again, the same principle of writing right around. I quite like that because it gives a nice pattern, doesn't it?
The whole thing right around it, yeah.
And just a little piece of fabric cut out and stuck on. Very simple. This one here, that's very thick felt, and I cut out a Christmas tree shape. Stuck a few stars on it and made a little stem for it as well. And again, I've used the raffia for the top.
So there's endless possibilities, really.
You can make anything you like. This one, I particularly like this one. I've made a little pattern right around the edge with a green marker. Wrote thank you, and this is a leaf from the garden. When the autumn colours were at their best, I dried some leaves. I've glued it on, and I've got a gold marker, a thin gold marker, and I've just drawn the veins in the leaf, and it just when you move it stands out a little bit more. So that's just a few little.
And there's my little one now, Maria.
That's very
nice. Do you
like
that one?
And so quick to do. Very nice. All right, do you want to make another one?
I certainly will. Yeah.
I'm just going to do a quick one here. Here's one. I used my gold pen and I just went around the edges, little pattern, and I'm using pinking scissors this time, a zigzag pattern. I do like patterned edges and things. Just measure now how much I'm going to need. Right there. Just cut that out. And get some glue. This is paper and fabric glue. Works well. And it sticks very quick, it dries quickly, so whatever you're attaching, you don't have to hold it in place for any length of time, nearly instant. Just around there, down the middle.
Can I get scissors from you, Maria, please?
You can, yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
I was going to put more stuff on that, but looking at it, it doesn't need it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
it doesn't.
I just get a little bit of embroidery thread and I use that. Thank you. Just put it on the side.
They're really, really quick to make, aren't they?
They're very quick to make, yeah. That's great. A couple of knots here. Yeah, there's another one done.
And I have
that's
another
nice
one
too.
done as well.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Happy Christmas to you all.
Yeah,
Great.
that's for the family.
Yeah. So now you have all your tags made. Now you have to go out and buy the presents. That's the hard job. But I think it's nice to get a present with a handmade attachment.
Makes a difference.
Yeah, it does make a difference.
Yeah.